Riding my car, ain't stunting. Window down and I'm sliding. I got a pocket full of money, but niggas be thinking I'm childish. I been doing this on my own. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bad. That bad been coming too empty. Nigga, it done got heavy. Thought I had me a Simmons. Nigga making all they move. Might as well be the Senate. Nigga, I'm like a major because I got all the
Cari crew, what it do, man? Hey, I got a little energy today, man. You know, I haven't recorded in over a week. You know what I'm saying? As y'all can tell, for the people that been paying attention. But Cari crew, I miss y'all, man. No homo. You know what I'm saying? I miss recording, man. We should have been at 8K by now. You know what I'm saying? I've been slipping, man. I had to grind, had to get, you know what I'm saying, get some stuff in order. You feel me? But we here. You know what I'm saying? We with it. We back in that and like nothing never happened. You know what I'm saying? But Cari crew, like I say, man, if you're new, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. On the road to 10K, get your boy to 10K the quick way, you feel me? And today, I don't know what's really in store. I'm just POVing, and I'm you know what I'm saying, go crazy for y'all. I ain't drove Olivia in over a week. My sleeve keeps sliding back. So don't climb me thinking my jacket too little, man. Just slide back. You know what I'm saying? It ain't that. You know what I'm saying? It's a little baggy. But hey, anyway, that besides the point. But yeah, man, I ain't drove Olivia, man, in over literally a week, bro. Like, I counted it was 7 days. I looked at the last time I drove her when I had took a picture in the car, and it was a week ago. You know what I'm saying? It's a Challenger. Somebody test driving a 5.0. Don't get it, man. It ain't worth it. Get you one of these. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, Cari crew, we back in action, man. But make sure, like I said, make sure y'all hit that like button. You feel me? And we're gonna get straight into it. I'm do my custom mode. I'm gonna put it in sport. You know what I'm saying? Put it in sport. Some slight. I'll leave that screen on. Or do y'all want? What screen do y'all like to see, man? Y'all let me know. Cause I don't know. I try to put something that move. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, it's like, man, why? But y'all let me know, man. What y'all would like? What kind of screen y'all would like to be up here? But I know performance page is normally like the ideal. Cause you know it moves and stuff. You know what I'm saying? All that good stuff like that. Yeah, man. I'm gonna crack these windows. We'll roll these windows down. Let y'all hear Olivia. Roll the back window down too. Let y'all hear Olivia, you know what I'm saying? It's been a minute, man. It's gonna be like I'm driving her for the first time in a while. Cause I really haven't drove her in a while. Straight out the gate with it. And for the people that's new, man, my car is catless, by the way. So it's not straight pipe either. I still got stuff on the exhaust, but it's catless. I gotta get some friends, Cari crew. Some POV friends. Take it. Good Lord. Good Lord. Calm down. I ain't drove you in a while. Should've got some good rest. Feel like she just got an oil change. Wee. Cari crew, y'all already know what's going on, man. I ain't even gonna talk too much. I'll talk a little bit just to kind of like, you know, if I gotta update y'all on anything or whatever like that. It's like, put the radar back on. Yeah, man. Getting straight to it. What's up, man? outside too, man. Hopefully the wind ain't too bad. Yeah, man. Yeah, car crew, man, it been a minute. It's been a minute. You know what I'm saying? I miss my baby. I let her rest. I had to let her chill, man. You know what I'm saying? I had to let her chill right quick. It's like when Olivia speak, it's just a moment of silence. You know what I'm saying? I hear them pops. Bro, what are y'all doing, bro? Y'all finna, bro, these folks finna piss me off. Look at the pages. Hope that wind ain't too bad, car. Let me roll these up just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Put the back window down, so. Yes, sir. Give me another one. I'm driving Olivia like I stole it. I'm driving it like I stole it just a little bit. Y'all gonna try to cap me down. Cause y'all be so literal, man. Why would I drive my own car like I literally stole it? Then I can't make videos. Come on, man. Y'all gotta think a little bit. Just use imagination for the time being with everything else, man. You know what I'm saying? Just appreciate the entertainment, Cari crew, and future Cari crew. If you're watching this video still, man, hit that like button and subscribe. And let me know how Olivia sound, you know what I'm saying? I know the camera don't do no justice, but hey, it's in sport mode. It's a little quick, you know what I'm saying? Get y'all a little 60 roll. See how the RPMs will get. Man, bro, I don't even be flowing that car, but when you start to get into it, bro, it just lift up. Like the whole car just slowly just crazy car, bro. Bro, that wind going stupid. Quiet y'all up a little bit. I be forgetting sometimes I gotta hold the camera closer to my face so y'all can get that view for real, you know what I'm saying? I be forgetting that. I gotta remind me about that car crew, you know what I'm saying? I gotta remind that boy. Look at them, bro staring at my car. Rick is staring. Well, yeah, car crew, man. To give y'all a quick little video, man. You know, I got some business to take care of today, but you know, give y'all these quick POV, man, cutting up in traffic, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna turn around though. I ain't gonna go all the way down there. I ain't got time. I do that this time, car crew. But yeah, man. But yeah, car crew, I'm probably gonna end that right here though, man. I'm just making these quick POV. I gotta catch up, man, on time. On lost time, I can't get back. But y'all know, just know, man, I'm always thinking about uploading, man. I just gotta do what I gotta do at time, car crew. But y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 10K, get your boy to 10K the quick way, you feel me? And like I say all in my video, man, keep striving for greatness. You know what I'm saying? Keep hope alive with your dreams, man. And don't let nobody tell you no. And for my religious folks, you know what I'm saying? Stay blessed, keep God first, and keep him in the mix, you feel me? And I'm out. Peace.